The St. Catherine North Police are intensifying measures to get more illegal guns off the streets. So far, several guns have been seized during targeted police operations in less than a week. As Krista Campbell now reports, it follows a major decline in murders and other violent crimes in the division.
The St. Catherine North Police are reporting a 42% decline in murders in the division since the start of the year and a notable increase in the seizure of guns and ammunition. 51 illegal guns compared to 46 for the same period last year and 525 ammunition compared to 453 last year. They say they have intensified their operations to put a dent in illegal activities in the area and will continue to do so. And with 3 guns confiscated over the last 3 days, they believe they're making headway.
The first one was on Saturday, November 9th. Shortly after midnight along Job's Lane, a man attacked police officers who were in plain clothes with a firearm. The police officers immediately took evasive action and the man was shot and injured. A 9mm pistol loaded with 10 rounds was seized from this man. He was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Superintendent Hopton Nicholson explained that the police had seen the suspect in question sometime after 9 o'clock Friday morning in Old Harbour.
It appeared as if he was a laborer doing construction in one of the housing schemes. He was also observed at a wake in Point Hill sometime after 9 p.m. on Saturday, where he was seen among other members at a wake that was unpermitted.
And so another appeal to residents.
Contact the police before hiring persons who are unknown to you to do work of any sort at your home or your place of business. We're also asking that persons you check with the police before renting your premises for business or even temporary living accommodation.
He said the second firearm was recovered during an operation to catch a wanted man and his cronies in the Riversdale area.
On the approach of the police, one man engaged the police in a fierce gun battle. He was shot and injured. He was later transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A firearm loaded with an extended magazine, and this magazine has the capacity to hold 30 rounds. So this magazine was recovered in the firearm with 14 rounds. Another magazine loaded with 10 rounds was also recovered.
The third illegal gun was recovered about 2 o'clock Monday morning while the police were shutting down an unpermitted event in St. Jago Gardens, Spanish Town.
A man who aroused the suspicion of the police was searched, and a 9mm pistol loaded with 13 rounds was seized from him. He was subsequently arrested.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
To News Now.